Hi everyone! I wanted to go ahead and show you guys this ukulele that I've received on my 14th birthday. I've had it for 6 years now, and these are my gathered thoughts. So I wanted to go ahead and show you that it does come with this case. It can also be worn as a backpack, so that's really nice. So the ukulele itself, so this is my ukulele. So your ukulele may come out of tune, but it is very easy to tune it. I usually use a free app called Ukulele Tuner on my phone, and I just adjust the strings. So here's a sound check. So yeah, if you're definitely looking for an aesthetic ukulele, I definitely would recommend this one. I'm very satisfied, and yet I still love this gift as much as the day that I first received it.